everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am just kind of using up some leftover paints. I really like this color combination because I had used these colors in a previous pour. I'm really loving the Amsterdam copper. Copper with blue really just stands out. So today's just going to be basically a chaos blowout with the blow dryer. I'm laying out a bunch of colors all over the canvas and just blowing it in all different directions, and we'll see what we get. All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a little quick video going on here. Today I'm using the colors that I used in my last piece because I love them so much together. And so I thought I would do a little blowout action. So this here, this is a 16 by 40 deep edge gallery wrapped. I'm gonna paint over. This was one of my open cups from a couple of years ago, if I'm not mistaken, that I never really liked too much to try to sell. So I'm just gonna paint over top of it. So anyways, this is my creative inspirations in Payne Gray. This is my Pebeo in green blue. Iridescent. Creative inspirations in my SkyBlue. And then my Amsterdam copper. And then I'm going to use titanium white in this as well as a base coat, but also in the paint. So it's going to be more of a chaos. I'm not doing any flower shapes. I'm basically going to blow out sides and to the ends. All right, so what I want to do today is I'm going to just put out some paint like this. All right. And then I'm just gonna do this with it. So now it's just really going to be about chaos pour, but the idea is I want to do a line straight down the center here. And then I'm going to be arcing off this way. Copper. I'm going to be careful about this because this, I don't want it to eat up too much. Ooh. That. Now we'll put out some of the sky blue. And then I've got my greenish blue. Okay. We'll just put out a little bit more white here. White over here. And we can sprinkle some white in here as well. Give this a little quick torch. Just enough copper in here. The Payne's gray and the blue. It's selling up really nice. Got some really nice lines in here. I think I'm gonna be okay with the amounts of paint that is on the canvas still. We shall see. Okay guys, so here we are with the wet result. I'm really liking this. Love the color scheme together. Look at how everything blew out. Cute little metallic cells popping up. Payne's gray always creates some cells when you mix with Amsterdam paints. And just the sheer technique of blowing out the paints the way I did is going to create cells. All right, we'll see how this dries. Okay guys, that is it for the video. So it is dried and I put one coat of resin on this, but it's gonna need a second coat. Here is, heavy. That's the finished result. Came out great. It will need a second coat because the resin is pulled away a little bit from the edges here, but hope I can get that in there. Love these colors together. So pretty. Very happy with these blues and the coppers together. Really turned out great. I'm not a big fan of resining canvases anymore just because of how heavy they get, but this is definitely looking good. It will, like I said, I'll put a second coat on it, and then it'll be ready for shipping, whoever would like to purchase this. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, book your classes now over at the Fluid Art Experience. I will be teaching 4 classes. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.